Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya, and today we are going to see the next step of your report, that is numbering and auto numbering of your different things in your report. Okay, so what do we mean by auto numbering? So you have various topics in your reports, various subtopics in your report, and we need to number those topics automatically. For example, I have the sample report. So the introduction chapter will have a name called chapter 1, and then there will be a section which is having 1.1, and then there will be a subsection heading that is 1.1.1. Okay, so now we need to automate this. So if I add anything at the bottom, it should have a chapter 2 automatically, 2.1 review automatically, and similarly 2.1.1 as a subsection automatically. So all these things can be done using a textiles. Okay, in previous video we have seen how to assign textiles. Okay, so if you have not watched that video, I will put a link at the top. You can go and watch that video first, and then you can come back to this video. We will be once we do the styles part, then you can automate the numbering. Okay, and that can be done using the multi-level list. So this multi-level list option is available just beside the bullet option or the numbering option. There is a multi-level list. Now, whatever settings we do here, we need to understand the different levels. That's why I tried to explain the levels. So first is the introduction, that is the chapter name. Second is your sections. Then there is a subsection. And if you need, you can go further to the multiple levels. Okay. These basic three levels, I will try to explain all the settings for in this video. So you can go to multi-level list. So define multi-level list, we are defining a new multi-level list. Okay, so this first level is the chapter level, the second level is the section level, and third level is a subsection level. Okay, that is what we need to understand. Now we will decide the formatting of a number for that specific level. So what you want for the introduction, if you just want a number, you can directly go and select the number. So the number will automatically come for each level. If you don't want number, you want it to be a chapter, so you can go and select the chapter, type the chapter, and then space, and then you can decide what kind of number you want for the chapter. Okay, we will be going with 1 2 3 4 for the each chapter. Okay, then there is a something called position. How do you want this number to be positioned? So it will be left aligned for sure, but you don't want this text indent for the specific number. Okay, so what we can do is either you can do it for this level, or you can set it for all levels to 0, so there will not be any indent available for the. So you see in a preview that indent is removed, all the indents are removed, so every level will have a same indent. That is what the basic requirement is. Now about the font. Now the font is again important thing. So introduction is having the Times New Roman 16 font, that is my title. So that's why you have to go and select again Times New Roman here, bold and 16 to match the introduction part with the formatting. Okay, and then you will be getting to the more option. In more options, you need to link this style or this level to the style. Okay, so you are linking this with a heading 1. Now what will happen whenever you use the heading 1, automatically this level or the this numbering will be allotted to that specific style. Okay, depending upon the upper level, if you have used 2 3 at the top, automatically 4 will come from the start. Okay, so I am assigning heading 1 to this, and then there is a follow number with, that's a tab character. If you want a tab or a space between those numbers, you can keep it as it is. We generally don't need it, so we are going with a space. So what will happen, a chapter 1 space your title will come into the report. If you want to check, you can just click OK. You can see chapter 1 introduction is added, and in heading 1 a chapter is automatically added. Okay, let us check the for design second chapter automatically added. I am changing a page. I am say assigning a results. This is my new chapter. Let's see, I am selecting a result. I am assigning a heading 1, automatically chapter 3, that is the next number, will be assigned to this. So this is how your multi-level list will work. Now we will be going with the second part. So you can again go to define multi-level list, and then you can go to the second part. Okay, so second level is for the section level. So for that, first what you need the previous level. Okay, so here there is a include level number from, so I will go for level 1. So first it will take the level number and then it will take the number for this style. So this indent is already 0. The linking we will do it for heading 2 because our section is having the setting of heading 2, and in this we will do a space. Okay, what about the font? Font for subsection we are having a Times New Roman, bold and 14. Okay, you can change this according to your requirement. No need to follow the specific font, but this is what a general text report will have. Now for third, which is a subsection, what we will do is we will add a level 1 first, dot. We will add level 2 first as a second, dot, and then we will add a actual level number. Okay, we will assign this level to level 3. Okay, and then you have space and go to font and change font to Times New Roman, bold and 12. That is for the subsection, and say OK. You can see for chapter 1, if you are including section, it will go 1.1, 1.1.1 for the subsection. If I add any subsection in between, and if I select that subsection and assign a property of heading 3 to that subsection, it will be automatically numbered with the next number 1.1.1 and then 1.1.2. Okay, so let us check. So everything is perfect for now. Let's say I want to have a topic as the section. So go to heading 2. After 1.2.1, 2.2 will come. So this is how you automate your different numbering styles in your report. Now the question is, in some reports you will get this chapter, then enter, and then introduction. So for that, if you go and enter here, it will not happen. Okay, so for that what you will use is you will use shift enter. Okay, shift enter will enter into a new line, but it will follow the same rule. Okay, so this is how you can change the lines for the title if it is required for your specific report. Okay, shift enter, that will give you the. So this is how you can do the auto numbering using the multi-level list, which is very important when you are starting with your report. And once you do this at the start, you don't have to worry about the auto numbering in the whole report. Okay, so if you like this content, do subscribe my channel, follow my channel, and share a word about channel with your friends. Thank you for joining. Stay tuned for more videos on these specific tricks related to report writing.